Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Instagram invalid parameters error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to tap into your Instagram app on your device and then just make sure that you are currently logged in into your account. And after doing so, tap into your profile. And after going to your profile, you should be able to see the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner of your screen. So tap onto that and then go to the settings and privacy. And in here, just scroll down until the very bottom of the menu, and then after that, click onto the help. And after that, click the or tap into the report a problem, and then tap into the report a problem again. Then tap include and continue, and then in here what we are going to do is to type in the problem that we are or that you have with the Instagram. So I'm just going to tap in right here. So it says that I am having issues with invalid parameters error on my account. Can you fix it right now, or you can even construct whatever you want here to and just clearly address the problems that you're having with Instagram. And after doing so, just tap the send button that is located on the upper right corner of your screen. And after sending it to Instagram, just check up on it after 24 hours and see if they fixed the problem. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons. You won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.